Hi guys, I'm Miss Hoover. I will be your Honors Ninth Literature teacher for spring 2021. Welcome. I just wanted to do a quick intro video. Again, my name is Miss Hoover. I'll do an About Me PowerPoint probably tomorrow in class, but I just wanted to go over the syllabus real quick. If you ever need to reach me, my email is the best way. I have it on my phone and I'm always available if you need me. I do have 2 kids, so if I am not immediate to get back to you, I will get back to you. So here are a couple things I want to go over. This is Honors Ninth Literature, so whether you are going to be face-to-face or you're going to be online, the same rules apply. Okay? I never want to be on time because I have to be on time, so I expect you to be on time. I'd love to see your faces if you're virtual. It's kind of odd talking to a black screen. I want everyone to wear appropriate clothing and communicate with me and to each other. This is a class and I really want you guys being able to talk to each other and to me, and we're going to learn from each other. There will be no cheating because that just shows that you're not trying, but I know you guys are smart. I'm really good about getting in grades most of the time, immediately, because I like you to know where you are. Here's our grading scale. It's broken down, it's the usual broken down for English, but you might not have seen this before in high school. So writing and reading are both worth 30%. Language is worth 15%, which is like vocabulary. We will be doing vocabulary to get us ready for our SAT. Listening and speaking is 10%. That's like collaborating with other people, if we ever review a movie or a clip, and your response to that, things like that. And we'll have a final. We don't have an EOC in here anymore this year. That could change for next year, though. I do want everyone to submit their assignments via CTLS. Every day I'm going to post a digital session and go live, obviously. But within that, I'll have the resources you need for the day and the assignments. And I'd like you to submit your assignments, even if you're face-to-face, via CTLS. We don't have as many papers flying out. And it's easy to keep it all in one place. So I'll grade it on CTLS, and then I'll transfer that grade to Synergy. I would prefer if all assignments could be typed because sometimes the handwriting is a little, right? So hopefully that you can make that happen. Makeup work is your responsibility. But like I said, for each digital session, we'll have the assignment and I'll post everything you need. Whether you need the text or a PowerPoint, anything you need, I'll post with it as well. The only thing I will not post are quizzes and tests. You'll have to do those when we do them, or we can find a time to make those up. We will have vocabulary. There is an online component, so you don't have to buy the book. Couple things that you need: a computer or laptop, some way to submit your assignments if you're face-to-face, or to join our session if you're virtual. Access CTLS, some type of notebook. We will be doing like writing assignments, free write Fridays, things like that, so you can have one place to keep it all. I'm hoping to do some sort of thing every day of the week. I've done it in the past and it seems to go really well, where like Mondays or Tuesday we do vocabulary or grammar, and then we do independent reading, and then we do free write Fridays where we just write. You'll obviously need pens or pencils. Our summer reading, I'll get into that tomorrow, but the books that were chosen were Ender's Game or Lord of the Flies, so you need some sort of copy of those, digital or hard copy. I won't be providing those. You will need a digital or a hard copy of The Hate U Give and Romeo and Juliet, but I will be providing a PDF of those if you need them. And you need to be ready to work. And last thing, I thought this was very cute and organized, so I wanted to go over it. So here are a couple things, and it says for virtual class expectations, but these can also be good for face-to-face as well. So just check those out. So it's just basically being on time, paying attention, having a good time. Be focused and attentive, and be kind. That's what we're here to be, right? We're going to learn from each other. We're going to be kind, and this is going to be a great semester. I can't wait. If you have any questions, reach out, and I will see you tomorrow.